All right, so in this video, we're going to look at the three main properties for logarithms. The first one is when you're taking the log of two things that are being multiplied, the log of a product, that can be rewritten as the sum of the two logs. Okay, it just changes it from the multiplication here to an addition. Okay. And then similarly, whenever it's a division statement, the log of a division, that can be rewritten as a difference. Right? And then the third one, it's like an exponent property. When you have the log of something raised to a power, you can take that power and bring it outside. All right, what's happening here? It's really just this property, the multiplication property. Uh, well, repeated. Like if I had the log of, say, 2 to the third, okay, this would be the same as the log of 2 times 2 times 2. And then since these are all being multiplied, I can use this multiplication transfers to addition property to rewrite them as the log of 2 plus the log of 2 plus another log of 2. All right. But since it's repeated addition, that's why it turns into multiplication right here. All right, I've got 3 of these log 2's, so it just becomes 3 log 2. All right, but the shorthand is you take that power and just put it out front. That's what you do. All right, those will be the three main properties that we use to rewrite stuff like this. Okay. So this is called expanding. I'm going to expand this log. All right, the first thing I'll do is I'm going to separate it using the division property. It'll be log of x squared minus log of 100. And notice here, this is just the common log, base 10. So this log of 100 right here, I'm going to be able to simplify to a 2 because 10 to the 2 gives me 100. All right, for this one, the log of x squared, I can use my little exponent property and bring that 2 out front. So it's going to be 2 log x minus 2, because this part right here is just equal to 2. All right, and that's as much as I can do with that one. I won't simplify any further. Let's look at another one. Let's go with log of 8x y to the 4th. Okay, and we're wanting to rewrite this. We're going to expand it out into as many logarithms as we can, right, using those log properties. All right, so since it's a product, all 3 of these things are being multiplied. I can separate them, the log of a product, I can separate them as little addition statements. So this will be log of 8 plus the log of x plus the log of y to the 4th. And then the last thing that I can do is I can take this exponent and bring it down front. The log of 8 will not simplify. Log x, and then plus 4 log y. Okay, that's all I can do with that one. Let's look at one that's a little bit different. We'll look at one where we're going to take something that has like several terms that's already been expanded, and we will do the other way. We'll condense it. Minus 3 log x. Okay, so the first thing I like to do is anything that has the number out front, I'm going to do the reverse of this property. All right, I'm going to put that number out front back inside the parentheses as an exponent. So this will be log of 5 squared plus the log of x minus the log of x to the third. There we go. Okay, now these two, since they are connected by addition, I can rewrite them as the product of two logs. Okay, so I'm going from something like this, and I'm going to rewrite them as one logarithm, so I got to multiply them. That's what I'm going to do there. And this is just going to be 25. So these two right here, it's going to be log of 25x, right, 5 squared is 25, minus the log of x cubed. Okay, you'll learn over time, anything that's negative will basically wind up in the denominator, but that's what's going to happen here. Since I am subtracting these two logarithms, it's going to be the log of a quotient, or the log of a division statement. The positive one, the one where the coefficient's positive, will be your numerator, and the one that's negative, this piece right here, will be your denominator. So you don't have to go through a whole bunch of steps like if you had several terms. All right, this is going to be log of 25x over x to the third. And then the only thing else that I can do with this is simplify my x's. It'll be a log of 25 over x squared. And that is the finale. So I took something that had several log pieces and then condensed it down to one logarithm. Okay, that's all.